Hello, thanks for clicking on my video. Welcome to my channel, Lovely Moments Creating. If you are new here, consider joining the family by clicking that subscribe button and remembering the notification bell so that you'll be reminded when I upload a video. My name is Jenny, and on this channel I create budget-friendly home decor that's easy to do. So if you want to see some of my creations, keep watching. DIYs are really easy, simple to do, but I think they are really quick and easy upgrades to some Dollar Tree items. All from the Dollar Tree. I have this red plate with the detailing around it. I love it. I'm going to be using one of these bows, and then I have some Dollar Tree holiday picks here. What I'm going to do first is transfer over a saying that I printed using my Cricut, and it's just "Tis the Season" with these little trees. You can add a sticker here and Mod Podge over it. I just liked this little image, and so I used my Cricut to print it. Once I get that transferred over, what I'm going to do next is embellish right under it using those pieces off of those two Dollar Tree holiday picks. This is just a simple and easy way to upgrade one of these plates for the holiday. So now what I'm going to do is just pull off my pieces so that I can hot glue them down separately. I'm also going to take one of those Dollar Tree little buffalo check bows, and I'm going to hot glue that right in the center. And then I'm going to add some leaves off that other pick, and I'm also going to add some berries off that pick right in the center of this bow. I'm going to add a few more leaves off of the pick, and that will be it. So simple, but I think it's a really nice way to upgrade one of the Dollar Tree plates. I love how it turned out. For the next DIY, this is actually can be a gift. I love these large jars at the Dollar Tree. This is a great find because you can use these to create so many different DIYs. I'm going to be using that ribbon from Walmart. These tags were 99 cents at Hobby Lobby, and I am going to print some little trees using my Cricut. Now what I'm going to do is just hot glue this ribbon right around the rim of this ledge. This is a simple way to store some cookies for the holiday. If you're going to an office party or to someone's home for the holiday, and even if they're not homemade cookies and you bought some store-bought cookies, this is a way to transport them without them being in the package that they came in from the store. You don't have to print anything and add it to this jar. You can just add the ribbon around the lid and add any tag. So I'm just going to string this tag through the jute, and then I'm just going to tie a knot around it to make sure that it's secure. After I cut out the cord, this can be it, but I did love these cute little trees, so I am going to transfer them over all the way to the bottom. And then after I get those transferred over, all I have to do is add in some cookies. You can add in some candies. I just think this is a cute little gift or a cute way to take some holiday cookies to a holiday party. I really love how this turned out. This was really simple. So if you see these jars at the Dollar Tree, I suggest you pick them up. I did stock up on a few because I may be using these to give out some really fun gifts. For this next DIY, this is really simple as well. I love these little trays from the Dollar Tree because you can transfer these into standing signs. I'm going to be using some more of that ribbon from Walmart. What I'm going to do first is just paint this using my white acrylic paint. And then after I get that complete, I am going to add some painter's tape around the top of, well, the front of my sign. Is going to be the front now, which was the bottom of the tray. And why I'm doing this is because I'm going to paint the sides using some of that brown acrylic paint, and I didn't want it to get on the front. So I'm just going to add my tape all the way around, and then I'll cut off that excess tape that is hanging. And then what I'm going to do now is just go in with that brown acrylic paint and paint all around it. Once it's painted, you can decorate the front of this sign any way you like. You can Mod Podge some stickers on there, or Michaels have some really cute Christmas vinyl stickers right now, but I did use my Cricut Joy to print this saying that I absolutely love. So now I'm just removing my painter's tape. Then I'm going to take that ribbon and I am going to hot glue it all around. Now, I originally hot glued the ribbon all the way around the sign, but I end up cutting it out the bottom because it did interfere with how the sign stood up. So now what I'm going to do is take the saying, bless the food before us and the family besides us. I absolutely love this saying, and that is why I chose to use it. And I used my green vinyl for this. So I'm just going to transfer this over. And after I get everything transferred over, I'm not going to add anything else to this sign. I absolutely love it just like this. And I am going to eventually style this on a tier tray in my kitchen. I absolutely love how this turned out. I stocked up on a few of these wood trays because I'm going to create some cute little personalized signs for my sisters for the holiday. I absolutely love how you can transfer these trays into some really cute standing signs. I love this next DIY. I have one of these wood boxes from the Dollar Tree, a pack of the Dollar Tree little chalkboard tags. I have one of those little towel cloths, and I'm going to be using some of the Dollar Tree decorative rope. I'm just going to cut me a piece of this towel. So what I'm doing is laying it on top of the box, pushing it down so I can see about how much I need to cut off. After I get it cut, what I'm going to do is just gather it down in the box. I want to make sure that it's nice and fluffy in the inside. And then the Dollar Tree rope that I have here, it comes 3 pieces, but I unraveled the 3 pieces so that I could glue them down separate since the box is smaller. And I'm just going to add some hot glue to secure it, and then I'm going to start wrapping it around. So once I go all the way around first, it's going to be easier for me to continue wrapping it. And I'm making sure that I pull it really tight, and I will add some hot glue here and there. So this is a cute DIY that you can give away as a gift for the holidays, and you can style some items in here. You can style some soaps in here, which is what I am going to be doing. So I'm just going to continue wrapping that rope around until I have it all the way wrapped around to the bottom, and I'm going to make sure I add some hot glue here and there to make sure that everything is secure. I did create a basket like this on a larger scale. I'm going to have that video linked in the description box below. That was my last year Christmas season gift idea video. So please check that out. There was some really good inspiration for some Christmas gift ideas. once I have everything tacked down, I cut off any hanging towel that was hanging down below. And now what I'm going to do is just hot glue this tag right to the front of the basket. I decided to take one of those little buffalo check bows from the Dollar Tree, and what I'm going to do is just hot glue that right on top of the tag, covering that hole. And then I'm going to take some little berries off a Dollar Tree pick, and I'm going to add that right in the center. Now you can write anything on this tag, but for now I'm going to write the word joy, and I'm just using my white marker from the Dollar Tree. And then after that, this is complete. I absolutely love it. And there's my basket that I created on a larger scale. And if you check that video out, which will be linked in the description box below, you will see what gifts I styled in that basket. This next DIY is really simple. I'm going to be using one of these vases from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to be using another one of those tags, some jute cord, and I'm going to be using this Christmas tree from the Dollar Tree. What I'm going to do first is just wrap some jute cord around the bottom of the vase, and I'm going to start with some hot glue. Once I wrap the first layer, it will be easy to continue to wrap it all the way. Now I'm not going to go all the way up the vase. I'm just going to go up to where I feel like it's enough. And so now what I'm going to do is just tack down the cord and cut off the excess. I'm going to use some of that jute cord to create a little simple messy bow. And then what I'm going to do is just hot glue that tag and that little bow right on top of the jute cord. I'm using my Dollar Tree marker to write Farm Fresh on the tag. And then all I have to do is just add the tree right inside of the vase. And that is it for this really simple, but I think it is so cute. Thank you all so much for tuning in and watching my video. I absolutely do appreciate the support. If you like this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already done so, subscribe to my channel because I would love to have you here. As always, in the comment section below, let me know which one of these were your favorite. Here is a second look of the DIYs I created today. Remember to check the description box to check out my last year Christmas video for some great Christmas gift ideas. Also, I'm going to have my website linked in the description box below, so you can check that out as well. Thank you all again so much for tuning in. And until next time, stay safe so I can see you in the next video.